Hello, good day, what's up? Continuing work on this landscape design here, and what I'm going to be working on next, the next step, is creating a landing zone for this ski lift chair that has been placed off the building. It's hanging off one of these rafters, and as you can see, it's overhanging the concrete. And so I'm going to make a landing zone for it in here. Walkable surface, because right now there is just mud underneath it. So again, this is in my catalog of pictures with the whole project. Another great example of how handy the pictures are. So let me show you what I've got in mind for it. After I've got these retaining walls up, I did a little work on the topography here, and as you can see, it's a little janky, but it'll all buff out. So what I'm going to do, and again, this is the area in question right in here, but I'm going to come over to the side and make this pad that I'm going to be working with. I know its dimensions 17 feet by 10 foot. Let me rotate that to where it needs to be. And with many parts of the design, it's a lot easier to build these type of things off-site and then move them in like this so it doesn't get messy. So, and this part that I'm moving, this rectangle, is just going to be my blank canvas to build off of. Match that up, it's pretty square, perfect. Okay, and this is going to be a gravel, kind of decorative landscape gravel, river rock stone surface. And cool. Okay, and then next I'm going to create some planks. Alright, and that's a 10 by 6 piece of lumber that I'm going to be using. Now let me import that, or not import, but just move it on over. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm just going to duplicate this over and over again. Move tool, and then on Mac, I hit my Option button, and that gives me a little plus sign next to my Move tool. Then I'm going to grab it and just do 1 foot spacing. Option, grab, keep it on the green axis, 1 foot spacing, Option. You see how that's kind of making the surface that I'm going for. Sweet. Okay, so here's my kind of in-ground deck surface. And I can come back in here and set these at whatever depth. Most likely the gravel will be level or just slightly under the height of these timber pieces. Something like that. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is import my ski chair. I've already designed this in a different tab on Sketchup, and if you care to see that, let me know. It took me 45 minutes to put this piece together. Let's take a look at it. Give it an about face, right on the red. Okay. And let's just reference that back to the picture. And one thing I messed up on, this is a 3-seater ski chair in reality, and the one I designed is a 2-seater, but it'll work. So cool, and that's how it's gonna all come together. I do have a bit of a gap up here. I can fix that quite easy, so it actually tethers into the roof system there. But that's my quick and easy idea for a surface. And I like this on a couple of levels. I went back and forth on what I want to actually install for the the platform under this ski chair, and I wanted to do something that was gravel based because this is a low spot in the landscape. As you can see, higher elevations here, it all kind of is going to be sloping down to this area, so I'm going to fill it with a bunch of gravel, which will help with the drainage issue. And then I'm also going to put in covert or drainage catch that'll run from here and tail off down in this direction to remove it from the foundation of the house. And that is my little ski chair detail. Thanks for watching, guys.